going on a summer holiday, I need t-shirts, I need shorts, yeah. Oh, hey, hello, boys and girls. I'm packing my suitcase because I'm going off on a summer holiday. Need to pack everything I need.
Hey, Steve, don't forget your woolly jumper.
Oh, Maggie, don't be crazy. I don't want a woolly jumper. No, look, I never wear a woolly jumper in the summer. That's just crazy. Oh, but I might need a sweater.
Steve can take my dress
Oh,
too.
here it is.
Yeah.
Hey, look, it's a sweater. I sometimes wear a sweater in the summer. Say that with me, come on. I sometimes wear a sweater in the summer. And again, I sometimes wear a sweater in the summer. One last time, I sometimes wear a sweater in the summer. Let's put it in my suitcase. Great. Hey, what else do I need? Well, I don't need a ski jacket. I don't need ski trousers or a woolly hat. Oh, but I'll need my sun hat.
Oh, hello, hello, hello. Oh, wow. Steve is throwing away some old clothes. Oh, I can take them and show them to the little blobs. Yeah. Thank you for the old clothes, Steve. Oh, bye-bye.
Oh, Bob, stop! You've got my clothes for my summer holiday. Oh!
Oh, look at these things, little blobs. Oh, hello, Steve.
Hey, Bobby, that's my suitcase with my clothes for my summer holiday.
What? Really? But Steve, you always wear blue trousers and a red t-shirt. You never wear things like this. I mean, look at these. What are they?
They are shorts, Bobby. I sometimes wear them in the summer.
Oh, and do you wear shorts in the winter?
No, I never wear shorts in the winter. It's too cold. Look. Oh, do you wear shorts in the winter? No. Then say with me, I never wear shorts in the winter. And again, I never wear shorts in the winter. One last time, I never wear shorts in the winter. That's just crazy.
Oh.
But Bobby, I always wear trousers in the winter.
Oh.
Like these ski trousers.
Wow.
Or these trousers.
Or these trousers.
That's right. Come on, help me teach the little blobs by saying, I always wear trousers in the winter. Come on. I always wear trousers in the winter. And again, I always wear trousers in the winter. Well done. It's like my shoes, Bobby. I always wear shoes.
I know what shoes are. Let me show the little blobs.
Hey!
They are shoes.
Bob!
And Steve, do you always wear shoes in the winter?
Yes, I do.
And the spring?
Yes, I do.
And the summer?
Yes, I do.
And autumn?
Yes, I do. I always wear shoes. I always wear shoes. I always wear shoes. I always wear shoes. Oh,
Sorry,
Bobby.
Steve.
Hey, wait a minute. What's that in my
What's this?
suitcase?
Oh, it's a dress.
It's a
but
dress.
It's too small. Okay, Steve, how often do you wear a dress?
What? No, I never wear a dress.
Oh.
I never wear a dress. I never wear a dress.
Why not? It would look good on you. Look! Oh, that's better!
Bob, stop it! Boys don't wear
Really?
dresses! Oh, Bob, I haven't got time to play these games. I'm going on holiday. I have to catch an airplane.
Okay. Have a nice holiday. Bye-bye, Steve.
What? No, no.
Oh! Wow! Wasn't that a good lesson, little blobs?
Where is Steve? He's going to be late.
Bob!
Hey,
Bob! Hello, Maggie. Don't say anything.
Steve's wearing a dress.
Lights, yeah. Oh, pizza. Oh, that pizza looks delicious. Oh, the hamburger looks delicious. The spaghetti, the cake and the biscuits all look delicious, but oh.
Hi, Steve. Have you got a headache?
No.
Have you got a sore throat?
No! Oh, hello, boys and girls. Oh, I've got a toothache. Oh, and this video is about food and I can't eat. But this food is making me hungry. Oh.
Then, Steve, you can drink the food.
No, Maggie, you can't drink food. You eat food.
You can, Steve. Abracadabra!
Oh, wow! A smoothie maker.
Yeah.
Oh, good idea, Maggie. Yeah. Hey, Maggie, don't be scared. Come on, boys and girls, let's make a smoothie. Okay, let's get
Hi,
started.
Steve!
Oh, hi, Bob.
What are you doing?
I'm making a smoothie.
Ooh.
Oh, hey, can you quickly help me tell Bob what I've got here? What's this? Yeah, it's an orange.
Ooh.
What's this? It's a banana. I've got 2 bananas. What's this? It's an apple.
Ooh.
And what's this? Yeah, it's yogurt. Great. So, I'm going to start, Bob, by peeling the orange. Hey, pretend you've got an orange like me and let's peel the orange, peel the orange, peel the orange. Say it with me, come on. Peel the orange, peel the orange, peel the orange. Yeah! So now, Bob, I need to slice the orange. Just one moment. Okay, let's slice it, slice it, slice it, and put it in the mixer. This is going to be a delicious smoothie. Okay, now let's do the same with a banana. So what do we do? Yeah, peel it, peel it, peel it. Super. So what do we do next? Yeah, we slice the banana.
Ooh.
Pretend that you have got a banana and a knife like me, and let's slice the banana, slice the banana. Say it with me, come on. Slice the banana, slice the banana. Great! Let's put it in the smoothie maker.
My turn, Steve!
Okay, Bob, it's your turn. You can do it with this banana. Okay, first you need to...
Slice it! Ho, 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 ho.
Bob, stop! No! Hey, that's crazy. You don't slice it first. First, you peel it. Come on, let's show Bob how to peel it, peel it, peel it. Oh! Wow! Bob, you did slice it first.
Yes!
That's amazing. Let's put it in the smoothie maker.
Yeah!
Right, now let's do the same for the apple. Oh, but to peel an apple, I need a peeler.
No, you don't, Steve! I can do it!
Really?
Oh, yes, watch!
Wow! Hey, Bob!
Yeah!
That's fantastic!
Ho-ho!
Okay, great. Now, what do we do next? Yeah, we slice the apple.
No problem!
Hey, Bob!
Oh!
That's amazing!
Yeah!
Come on then, let's put some of the apple into the smoothie maker. But before we mix it, let's pour in a little yogurt. Oh yeah! Great! Now we're ready to mix it. So come on, let's mix it, mix it, mix it! Say it with me, come on, let's mix it, mix it, mix it! Let's mix it, mix it, mix it! Can't hear you, let's mix it,
Mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it!
Okay,
Ho-ho!
great! Our smoothie is ready.
Hooray!
But now we need to pour it into 2 glasses.
Ooh!
I've got a glass for me and a glass for you,
Thank
Bob.
you!
So come
Ho-ho!
on, let's pour a smoothie for me. Say it with me, come on. Pour the smoothie, pour the smoothie, pour the smoothie. Great! And let's pour a smoothie for Bob. Come on, let's pour the smoothie, pour the smoothie, pour the smoothie. Super! Okay.
Let's drink it! Yeah!
No, not yet. I just want to put a straw in your smoothie, a straw in my smoothie, and now I'm ready to do what? Yeah, serve the smoothie. Come on, say it with me. Let's serve the smoothie, serve the smoothie, serve the smoothie. Yeah,
thank you.
Great. Okay, Bob, enjoy.
Yeah.
Oh, I must be careful. I don't want another toothache.
Hi, Steve.
Hi, Maggie. Oh, Maggie. Oh, you naughty, naughty bird.
These humans are crazy! Oh, I must show the little blobs! ho, ho, ho.